Hello there and welcome back to Space Engineers. Yes, we're back on Space Engineers once again, going to be continuing our single player playthrough. So, if you weren't here last time, we had moved everything inside here. So we've got our batteries here. We've got our cargo container up here as well, and everything that we had inside of those containers is now in here. Unfortunately, last time while I was moving everything, well, I was actually grinding away that drill rig. We also got this done too. We had welders on the front of this. We were welding up the floor and all that stuff, and it was a lot of fun. So, not really. It took forever. But we did manage to get quite a bit of welding done, but we do need to go back to production, unfortunately, because we did lose our assemblers. No, not our assemblers, our refineries. We lost our refineries, unfortunately, to a meteor storm that came through. And with that meteor storm doing that, we lost all of our raw minerals. So we need to go get those back. Essentially, we need to get new ones. New minerals. Okay, so we need to build ourselves a refinery, an assembler, and we're not going to do basic no more. Well, we'll have to do basic assembler for now, because we don't have the parts. We might not even have the parts for... We might have to do basic refinery and basic assembler for now, as well. Because unfortunately we did lose a lot of material. But they're going to be temporary. That's not going to be permanent or anything like that. So, let's see here. So I also want to try and build a mining machine today, a vehicle-based rover that is going to drill down into...
Inbound.
Oh, speaking of, yeah, that's going to drill down into the ice. Now, this rover is not going to be your traditional drill rover where the drills are on the front and it drills a tunnel that you drive in the tunnel as you drill, that kind of stuff. I was actually thinking one that was more of a... Ooh, where are those going to land? Okay, good. This is why I moved everything inside, because we get a lot of meteor storms, and yeah, they tend to make it a bad day for us. So, just remembering when I lost my assemblers, like, no, or my refineries, like, no. Okay, but yeah, I want to build it, and it's going to be reminiscent of something that you might see in real life. And we're going to try and make it so it can fit in here because of how tall it's going to be. But something that might resemble a machine in real life that drills the holes for the... Oh, I'm walking backwards again. I got this bug today that I've been walking backwards. But if I walk backwards into a wall, they stop walking backwards. Or maybe it's tabbing out that fixes it. Yeah, tabbing out fixes it. I don't know what that bug is. That's very weird. I don't think I've ever had that happen before. It's interesting. Okay, so we're going to try and make that happen today. We're going to try to do a build of a rover. Now this rover is going to be a little bit different to this traditional rover. I say rover vehicle. We're going to try and build it. So at least we got a nice clean floor. Now we might have to make a simple one for now to start drilling because, like I said, we don't have resources right now. So building this kind of stuff is going to be very interesting, to say the least. So let's grab a whole bunch of steel plates. We'll grab, like, I don't know, 150. Oops, I did not have that correct. Now we'll grab like 150 plates. And like 50 interior plates. That'll fill up our inventory. At least then it'll be... Let's see, can I get this to lock? There we go. Build it up so it has a little bit of strength to it. But this is going to be only temporary anyway. Yeah, so let's... Oh, there I go again, getting stuck walking backwards. was thinking maybe it was controller. Maybe it is. It's my controller causing issues. It's not even... It's just sitting there. Oh, how weird. It is my controller, because as soon as I touch the movement stick, it does that. Why is it doing that? Find out which cord it is. There we go. Okay, controller's unplugged. Right. Yeah, it's just sitting there. That was the weird thing. It's not like it's not like something's sitting on it to cause me to walk backwards. But well. All right, let's get to building here. All right. Okay, I'm thinking something a bit like that. I forgot that was incoming. Oh man, that's a lot of meteors. Oh, good. But yeah, I was thinking of something a bit like this though, where it's a nice wide base. We're gonna need a nice wide base, by the way, and a lot of wheels, and you'll see why eventually, at some point. So we're gonna be making a mining rig. This type of mining rig, like I said, is kind of based off of a real life mining rig. Um, Obviously, it doesn't use pistons. The real life one uses cables, but we're going to use pistons in place of cables to try and make it work. So yeah, it's going to dig extremely deep holes. It's going to be extremely tall, but that's why it's such a wide base. I might even have to make it wider if it tries to tip. But that's why I put the wheels on the outside here, was to try and prevent it from tipping side to side at any point, and also we're going to have a lot of cargo storage on here. So we're going to, let's see, yeah, we need a large cargo container. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot what I was going to try and do. Well, maybe I could do it with the large cargo containers as well. Yeah, I remember what I was going to try and do. Will these fit on here? They will. As long as we did center them. Okay, cool. So, what I was going to try and do was have removable cargo containers, essentially. Basically, two cargo containers connected side by side, and then a connector on the vehicle itself. So basically, you put the cargo containers in place, and then you lock them with the connector so that the material can flow through. So basically, you just have it on eject all, or you'd move it manually, whichever way we could make it work. But we have the two cargo containers on here, side by side. First of all, let's grab the materials for them. Not in the material plan. Okay. Yeah, so the way I want to build this is I want to build this as a module, so... Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, because of the way I put it. Whoops. I need to put these correctly. Yeah. So the little connector pieces at the top. Not that it really matters at that point, but... we might have to put them on a little footer. Hold on. Let's go landing gear. Okay, so a few things as well. Let's grab some steel plate. We're full on. Wait, why do we have 1,000,000 interior plates? Let's go 20 steel plate. Let's go 50 of that, so we can at least place the stuff. Okay. Why is it all awkward? Eight. I don't want to place it too low. Or too high, I mean. There we go. Okay, so then we're going to go 9. I place the cargo container right on top of that. This cargo container, something is weird with it. It's got connectors on 3 sides, and okay, I see what's happening. All right, we'll put the large large container piece on the bottom. It's fine. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to know. Okay. So we have 2 of these side by side, right? Let's grab all the materials for that. Because we want to be able to bring back a crap ton of material at one time. But like I said, we're building these as a module. Yeah, it filled up my inventory with metal grids and stuff. What is it trying to build? Oh, the large cargo container as well. For some reason, the large cargo container is also on my build planner. Whoops. That would be why it was trying to give me metal grids. There we go. Oh, did I not place that correctly? I didn't. I thought I did. Dang it. Actually, bring this one down first.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Really? I don't have enough inventory space for... Why is that, actually? 100 and... Oh, it's the freaking interior plates is what it is. Okay, how many interior plates? Oh, I didn't even... Look at that, I put the exact number that I needed back in there. Okay. My bad. I should have looked to see where I was placing that, or how I was placing that. Oh, heck. Okay, that's all 3 sides. Yeah, put that on the 2 sides, and then we have the bigger side down, right? Yeah, we have the bigger side down. Okay. Actually, yeah, so that's exactly... I want to have, be able to have connectors on both ends.
Energy low.
Alright. So now we can have a connector on this end and a connector on this end, which we will do. Alright, connector. Should we do inset connectors so it's like nice and flush? I think we should. Yeah, we'll do inset connectors then. There's also this module cargo. It's a medium cargo, though. It's not a large one. Yeah, we'll do the large ones. Okay. Need some energy. So yeah, thinking like that would probably work. We just need to armor up not the sides, but we're gonna armor up we're gonna armor up this piece here with just a little bit of armor, just so it kind of matches. Of course, I need some iron plate. Let's get stuff like 50 of it, so we can weld up some pieces. Yeah, we'll just kind of copy the cargo container here. I guess not necessarily we don't have to do that. I could do this, though. I will do this, though. Didn't really give myself an easy way to make this happen today. Should have put it up a little higher. Oh well. Bleh. It's a little bit tippy over here. Upside down, huh? Anybody else getting seasick? Okay. Yeah, when you know which way is down, it's like bleh. Okay. So then this piece here. Whoop. And this piece here. And whoop. That's very sickening. Ah! Flashbang. Top pieces. Okay. Alright, so then what I want to do is I want to put... this is kind of taken from the Frostbite series. I want to make this work. The graded catwalks, aren't they for... No, they're not for small grid. Okay. What about the steel catwalks? Are they for small grid or anything like that? Yeah, these are all for large grid. Unfortunately. Oh, these are for small grid. Can we use these panels? Ah. Ooh, they're very small. They are very small. Ooh. Well, at least they only require, like... yeah, they only require, like, one plate apiece. Get some more steel plate. Grab, like, another... I don't know, 150. Something like that. Alrighty, so I think something a bit like this. Maybe. What do you guys think? It's like a cargo container. Of course we can always paint it like one too. Let's do blue cargo containers. Like a darker blue, and then we'll do... I know I have it. There it is. Corrugated metal. Wasn't it like Control Shift middle click? Yeah. Oh, the panels are going the wrong way though. Dang it. I don't know how to fix that. Yeah, the panels are going sideways, and I want them to go... I'd have to rebuild the entire thing, wouldn't I? Oh, I don't wanna... I don't want to rebuild it. Be nice if I could rotate the paint job. But yeah, we can go with these, like... Well, we can go with white as well. Oops. Control Shift. Look, there we go. Beats the whole thing. But yeah, we got these basically cargo containers, and inside these you've got you got 2 connectors plus 2 large cargo containers worth. And I need to build another one of these. So I'm thinking, is it F10? We could, or was it? Oh, I can't remember how to do blueprints. It's been too long. Probably be under block placement. Build planner. Alright, I have blueprinted it. It was Control B. You hit Control B and then it puts it into the blueprinter. So basically what I wanted to do was, can I grab a projector? Yeah. We grab ourselves a projector. And we want a... what's it called? It's yeah, we want a landing gear. So then we can go landing gear, because I need to make 2 of these. This is why I'm doing it. We go projector. We'll go get the stuff for that. Nothing's in the build planner. No! It just gave me everything. Oh, and I just put my bottle away. No. 8. Give me all the components for that. I don't know if you need... Do you need power for the projector to work? I don't remember. I think you do, actually. And then a button panel. Or a control panel. Yeah, I need a little control panel as well. Yeah, trying to remember how to do this stuff. So projector, required input 100 watts. Okay, so we do need a battery. Okay. Well, I guess if we're going to do that, we might as well make a permanent projector for this type of stuff. Well, maybe not a permanent one, but maybe a... well, I mean, the small grid batteries, how expensive are they? So I might be able to afford it and then just scrap it. Well, the reason I say that is because... How much do these small grid batteries provide, by the way? They don't say how much power they... But maybe it does, and I'm just... Small grid battery. No, it doesn't say how much, but they are very inexpensive, so... I think we have the power. We might even have... Well, we don't have the power cells for it. I don't even have an assembler for it. We seriously not have the power cells? I could have swore we had power cells. No, we probably used them all on the large grid batteries. Yeah. There's an unknown signal that might have some of that. Should have checked my hydrogen. Okay, good. It's like I should have checked my hydrogen before I flew over here. This one might have power cells. It won't have a. It'll have a battery, but I can't use the battery because the battery goes dead as soon as you press the button. It kills the battery. I mean, I probably could. I could probably toggle it to come back on, but then I'd have to get the battery all the way back to base. Does this one fly? Okay. Saber helmet. Not that I really need that. I'll take the interior blitz though. Yeah, looks like that's everything. Okay, so I'll have to make an assembler now then. What I'm gonna do is I'll take the assembler and I'll stick it on the side of the cargo container. As well as a refinery. Well, I don't need the refinery yet because I can't make anything anyway. I don't have the materials to make I don't have the materials to refine. I don't have the raw resources, so I guess assembler time it is. An industrial assembler, huh? Yeah, we might use that. I don't know. Yeah, basic assembler though. Basic assembler for now. Make sure we place it the right way. Just so I can at least produce something. What I have. Okay, production. Can we make power cells? We cannot because we don't have any silicon. Dang it. Can we disassemble something that has silicon in it? I could do the radio control components. Because I can remake those easily. I don't know how many I have. But then hopefully that'll give us enough silicon to produce a couple of power cells. Oh, there's 2 more in the inventory. Okay. I need a bit of nickel. So... disassemble this. Okay, that's not all our motors gone, that's just what was in the inventory of the thing. Alright, and we can make a couple of power cells, which I'm going to immediately destroy. Apparently. Okay, at least we have some resources. Okay, I don't know how much power this projector is going to have and for how long. Small battery. Fully depleted in 6 days. Current output is 100 watts. Okay, well, if a small battery powers it for 6 days, I think I'm alright. Alright, projector blueprints. Let's go down and find my... it was near the bottom, wasn't it? Yeah, there it is. I have a lot of random blueprints. A lot of these blueprints are actually taken from that one mod, the Enhanced Exploration mod. What we did was we ran around to all these different ships that spawned into the world, and we started blueprinting them because they were really cool. Before the mod went away. But the mod you can still get the mod and it still works. It's just before I took the mod off the game, basically. Yeah, this one. Okay. Heat projection after a building is complete. No. Show only buildable though. And I want to, hold on. I do need to move the blueprint up. So horizontal. Projection out of bounds, what? There we go. That's exactly what I want. That's perfect. Show only build. Oh. Well, I guess we can't do the show only buildable on that. Well, maybe we can if we. It's fine. So we need two. Wait, if I start the build, do I have any? I don't have anything in my inventory. Let me go grab some stuff. Got some material plates for those. Can't seem to build any of it. Maybe it wasn't interior plates, maybe it's just regular plates. Oh, I forgot those were in there. Why can't I build any of this? Is it just a projection? Can we not? Dota. Vertically offset it by 1. Yeah, I have plates and stuff in my inventory, so I don't know why it's not. Oh, maybe I have to build it on a stock. Alright. I think I see what's happening. Okay, what it's trying to do is it's trying to see, now it'll let me build it. The cargo container. I thought I could have, yeah, I was pretty sure. Okay, what if I, nope, I have to, actually I could do this. That'll make it easy. Yeah. And now we can do the whole, okay, I couldn't remember how projectors worked exactly, so show only build. Yeah. Alright, so let me get a second one built here. Alrighty, I think I've got that all made. Yeah, I'm just gonna grind it down. There we are. We have another container. And I did fix the battery thing. I need to... Wasn't that side? I was gonna put batteries on it is what happened. And I just I decided against it, but I forgot to remove this side. Okay, that should be good. All right. But yeah, it's basically just sheet metal essentially to cover the containers. And, you know, kind of somewhat futuristic on the ends, but not too bad. Yeah, so the basic idea, let me get charged as I'm trying to explain this. The basic idea is to have one container on the back of the truck at all times, And then as the miner is mining, it fills up the container directly through the connector. And then once the container is full, we can remove said container and then put another container directly on it and go back to drilling, and we can have like a little trailer or like another vehicle, essentially, that carries the container back to base and then puts it on a connector at the base. The base starts processing. We go back to drilling while it's processing one container, and then we fill up the other container, and then we can keep swapping it out like that. Once we get it going, the process going, then it works. The only problem that I see is, well, I'm the only one here, so it's going to be really hard to have that all swapped out. Did we do warfare batteries on these? We did. Yeah. I like the warfare batteries. They're pretty cool. Yeah, these are actually really cool. They're expensive, but they're cool. Okay, so first things first. I need a way to get this up on here. So I can figure out how I'm gonna do this. Actually, no, I guess I don't. Okay, so if we go one, so the connector can hang off the back. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so it's 14 long. So we could say the container can hang off the back one block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so the container is here, so we can start building from here. Okay. Oops. Let's go copy that. Okay, and the containers don't sit on the ground. Or the connector doesn't sit on the ground. I mean, we could push the container back another block if we really wish. It depends on how big the connector is. How big is the small grid connector in like thickness, I guess you could say. If I can find the damn thing. Okay, it's one block thicker than that. Alright. So I think we have it hang off two then. 2 blocks. Okay, so there's our connector. Now, is this the connector and the inset connector, they're exactly the same size, right? They're not different sizes. I meant like, yeah, I'm stuck. I meant like this wise. Yeah. Whoa. Everything just unloaded. Yeah, so they're the exact same size. So one block off the bottom. Okay. So that's where the container will connect up to. And anything past this, we might have to make this one set of wheels longer. I don't know if there's going to be enough for the drill rig portion. Well, maybe. We'll see. Okay, so then let's go ahead and build out around this. So yeah, something like that. Alright, so I guess the next plan then is to somehow get this cargo container up on here. We don't have to right now, but eventually we'll have to. I'm thinking maybe a crane will probably do that, and then the cargo containers can have like a spot where they connect up to the base so that they can then get refined. That way we can carry twice as much cargo and whatnot. So it's actually probably good that the cargo containers have to take up most of this back here. Probably a good thing. But yeah, we might have to add another set of wheels. We'll see. Obviously, this is going to be pretty useless. I still might put a hydrogen O2 generator on here. Oh yes, I forgot. We also need a tank, don't we? Yeah, I don't think I'll use the big tanks this time. We'll use the small ones. So we probably need a conveyor junction then to go down to smaller grid. Conveyor converter. Is this what I need? Yeah, this will go down to small pipes. Because, yeah, we won't be able to, we don't need to access it from this point anyway. Need interior plate. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Production. Try to make as much iron or steel plate as we can. I guess I could grab the stuff directly for this. Or we can just build it. Wait, didn't I just grab the stuff for it? Oh, I'll probably grab the stuff for something else. Yeah. Back to this. Oh, these are unpowered as well. I need to get these connected somehow. I didn't think about that. Yeah, these will probably disappear, won't they? Unless I get them connected up to the base. Hope I have enough stuff. But it's just like, yeah, now that I think about it, I need to clean those up. Otherwise, the trash removal will also clean it up. And yes, I know I can turn it off, but that's no fun. Ooh, that took a lot of my steel plates. I have no more steel plates left, I bet. Okay, so then I'm going to need this vehicle here to shove them into place. Okay. 7. Yeah, I don't want to shove them out of place. So I'm being very careful. This one might be a little tricky. Maybe not. It'll be okay. Okay, that's not bad. The other one that... Oops. That's how we blew up our connector last time. Freaking backing into the walls. And also... shove that into place. What I might have to do... Well... God, that's not going to work either, is it? This could be close. Yes. Okay, that one's ready to launch. Now this one, theoretically, I should just have to shove. I might have to put a landing gear on this. Yep, I am. Dang it. Landing gear. Need steel plates, and I don't think I have steel plates. Got no steel plates, because I'm out of iron. Disassembling. I think this will work. Yeah, I'm very slowly running out of materials. Let me go set this on disassembly. There you go. I'm disassembling my construction components. So I have like, I had almost 2,000. So it's like that'll get me the iron I need. Oops. This is an auto lock. There we go. As long as I don't go too crazy with it and smash it into anything. Yep. Oh yes, and I need a control. Well, I guess I can. Ouch. I guess I can tapped it one too many times. Connector 3 and 3. See, they are. Okay, that one's not. Lock. Connector 2. Lock. Nope, that one's ready to lock. Alright, cool. Now we won't lose these containers. Because it's an unpowered grid. Even though I've got it claimed, I do believe unpowered grids eventually get cleaned up, so... Right, let's get this out of the way. We could build a piston on this and have it lift the containers up onto the truck for us. That could also work. Just gonna go park this over here. Oh, since it's not connected to the base, I do need to turn on the batteries. Though I can still charge from it. Okay, for now that'll just be where these connectors, or where these containers sit until we get this built. Okay, so yeah, now the batteries. We need a couple of batteries on this. I want the warfare batteries because they're cooler. So we put these the right way. They might be a bit exposed. We're just a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna need 40 power cells for that. We can get everything else, with the power cells. And apparently the steel plates. Okay. So if that disassembly is done, it is. Okay. Assembling. You'll need a lot of iron. That's going to take up most of our iron. And these will also require iron. Freaking heck. Alright. I'll wait till this gets to like 50 and then we'll then we'll stop it. Okay. And then I need you to produce me okay, we have enough iron. We don't have enough silicon or nickel. That's okay. Disassembling. Okay, so we have enough nickel. Cancel that. Just don't have enough silicon. Which we can get silicon from these. And we get a bit of iron from them too. These are quite heavy, so we'll get a decent amount of iron from them. Yeah, we don't nearly need these right now. Still don't have enough silicon, it says. Okay. Disassembling. Do computers have silicon, don't they? Yeah. Have to disassemble a lot. Okay, so need roughly 9, it said. I think that should get us enough. At least we hope, anyway. Come on, get me to that 9. Ooh, it's gonna be close. Okay, and we'll just let it finish. Alright. Then that'll get us the power cells we need in order to make those batteries happen. Just a couple of small grid batteries, just regular ones. The reason I want so much power is we're going to need a decent amount of power, definitely. I think that is enough for a conveyor junction, right? That's enough space for a conveyor junction to fit in between there. I think. Because we're definitely not fitting a tank in there, I can tell you that. Yeah, that's enough to fit a conveyor junction in there. Okay. So that's what I'm thinking there. I think it gave me the stuff for the batteries. Ooh, that didn't sound healthy. Build these batteries here. Yeah, I'd imagine we're not going to get this done this time around, but... Really? Are we out of material already? Oh, it has the power cells in there, but it's not wanting to withdraw all the power cells for some reason. Or am I out of power cells now? Yeah, I'm out of power cells, aren't I? Crap. Ah! Need to assemble another 10 computers just to get this to happen. Really? Another 10 computers, please? Okay. Now we can grab everything. Alright, then the conveyor junction. Yeah, there's nothing on the build planner. Give me the stuff for that. Okay, now I got some more stuff I need to think about. Alrighty, I think I got all the systems in place. This is pretty compact, but not compact at the same time. So we've got a couple of hydrogen tanks down at the bottom here, another 4 little hydrogen tanks up here, just so we could run these. We have an O2H2 generator as well, so we can mine ice and fill up its tanks. It's got an O2H2 gen right there. You got the conveyor sorter that we built. And then we've got 6 gyros on this thing. So it can definitely keep going. Yeah, I'm going to need to add an extra set of wheels on this too because of all the weight that's going to be in the front. However, we are out of iron plate, pretty much. I've done about as much as I'm willing as far as disassembly and reassembly. I have 30 plates left, so I think I need to go do some hand mining. I'm going to stick a couple of assemblers or a couple of refineries on here, if we can even build them. Basic refinery. Basic refineries are freaking cheap, man. Talking really cheap. Never mind, they need a lot. 100 steel plates! Okay, well, we're gonna have to disassemble most of our interior plates then. So that we can build... I cancel that. 200 plus 20. Okay. So need 1,000 iron. Disassembling. Let's disassemble all the plates we have. All the interior plates we have. So we can have enough iron for that. That's going to take a minute, and then we'll get a couple of basic refineries on here. Just so we could build enough plates so that we could build these things. We should have enough of everything else, though. That's the reason I didn't do the construction components. I'm like, I'm going to need those. But yeah, we are pretty much out of iron, which does suck. So yep, I am out of iron. I don't know if I have enough production. Yeah, I still don't even have enough to. I might have enough place to do one assembler at least. If we can do one assembler, then at least we can have. We just need 100 plates. Well, 100 and Was 120. We just need just enough. Okay, so 6. 7 steel plates. 7 steel plate. Oh, really? It stopped. Ah. What else can I grind down? Oh, motors. Motors. Yeah, let's get rid of a stack of motors. Or 100 motors, sorry. Let's get rid of 100 motors. That should definitely help us out. At least a little bit. Yeah, because we lost our refineries last time. Okay, we can stop the disassembling process. Production. Yeah, stop that. Go back to assembling. Alright, we just gotta go hand mine some more iron. Also, might as well get rid of this. Yeah, because if I get rid of this, then... yeah, we can... Oops, like that. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, whatever. It'll work. Yep, I gotta go get another bunch of iron. Iron is the main one that we need, so... Ooh. I forgot to give myself the suspension height I need. What happened to all my... There we go. Okay. Might go grab that unknown signal as well. We need to go to our iron hole and fill this up, and hopefully that's enough iron to finish the miner. But after I collect this iron, I'm afraid that is going to be it for this episode of Space Engineers, so... just because we're running out of time for our episode here. Surprised that ice is still here. That trash hasn't cleaned it up yet. Alright. Let's go get us some iron. Oops. There we go. So I got my iron hole right here. Still got iron in it. Okay, so we finally have enough iron in our truck now. That we're finally processing it all. Brought back a full load, so that's quite a lot of iron. We'll start building up our stocks again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know if we're gonna have enough for that. We'll see. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll just start building up on our stocks once more. How are we doing on small steel tubes? Oh, we have like 1,500. Okay, we're good there. But yeah, if we can get stocked back up on all that stuff, then we can go back and get stocked up on other stuff, like nickel and silver and or nickel and silicon. Also, we had another asteroid storm come through, and this one hit all the ice. And look how much. Okay, so that one's just ice. What do we got over here? Oh, and I actually think we've been inside that one. But yeah, and our entire mountain is peppered. Our mountain, our ice lake is just peppered. Ooh, gold. Oh, and magnesium. I know I have copper ones for this, but might as well grab it. That's just ice. That one was the gold. Okay. That one's silver. We don't have much silver, so. Yeah, like I said, we've been getting pounded recently by these asteroids. No, that was an asteroid, definitely a tiny one. And there's so much more. That's my old iron hole. I see a little bit of stuff in this one. Quite a bit, actually.
Inventory full.
It's okay if we have a bit of ice. Alright, but yeah, with that though, with the collection of that iron, I do believe that is going to be it for this episode of Space Engineers. So next time we'll continue to finish this. I have my big plans for it. I am going to expand it out one more wheelbase though, because we definitely need it. We need all of these wheels, trust me. You'll see, once we get the rig built, you'll see exactly what I was trying to do. And we actually might have to build the rig outside, because the rig is going to be massive. Like massively tall, so we can dig extremely deep. So we're gonna need a lot of pistons and stuff like that. So yeah, should be interesting. But for now, though, that is gonna be it for this episode. So I do hope you enjoyed. Oh, and before you go, I would like to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of the investors you can see here. Seriously, thank you. You guys are awesome. It is much appreciated. And until next time, I guess it's a goodbye.